Hello CST, dear seller, let me share my screen of whatever my Citibank account is that I've been using to send money to do the Binance P2P trade. As the page loads, I want to say something. First I thought the seller is a scammer, but that is not accurate. After seeing his video of peer-to-peer withdrawal, I'm more convinced that he has made a honest mistake. I'll explain that later on. So just logging in. Don't save. So you have my Citibank account statement. So this is my bank savings account. So this is the account that I used to send money to our seller. So what is the date? This is 7/6 somewhere. Again, you wanted after 18th only, right? After 14th I did only very few transactions. And this is the one, the faithful transaction that I sent to our seller. So you can see the UPI transaction ID is 71, ending with 71. So in the previous message I said there was some problem with the transaction. There is no problem. 71 is the transaction ID for the transaction, and 70, the number that ends with 70, is the transaction ID for the SMS. So the receiver should have received this 71 in his SMS inbox. So I think this is clear, right? And now I want to go to the screenshot or the video that our seller has sent to us. After seeing that, it is a lot clear for me that he made a honest mistake, and because of that mistake the money got released in the USDT got released in the wrong exchange instead of getting released for me. I will explain you. So what this guy has done is he has opened multiple trades to perform USDT arbitrage. One is in the Binance, one is in some other this is peer-to-peer platform that you should take a note of this. Any peer-to-peer platform doesn't know about your bank account, doesn't know whether you received money or not. It doesn't know any information at all about your bank. All it knows is when you click complete, it simply believes, and the escrow releases the USDT to whatever the other side of the party. So what our seller has done is clearly this. So he has received a deposit from me, and it has an UPI transaction ID. So he has taken that UPI transaction ID. Now he has two orders, one in Binance, one in this peer-to-peer platform. Please note that it's a peer-to-peer platform, and it doesn't know whether our seller got money, whether seller got cash in hand or yes, compensated with crypto. It doesn't know any of those things. All he has to do is he has to say, I got money, complete the transaction. It will release the USDT. So what he has done is the peer-to-peer platform cannot get the transaction ID also. UPI transaction, it doesn't have the knowledge of UPI transaction ID also. So the seller has to key in the transaction ID. If the seller says there is a clone of me who is coming to the same platform and providing him this transaction ID and asking him to transfer the money to that particular other guy's account, and that's all full nonsense. In this peer-to-peer network, it's hard to find the person. I don't even know the platform. It is impossible to find exactly the same guy and come to that. Story is not at all feasible. What the feasible thing that can happen is, even if he says that there is a clone of Gopinath coming in the other platform and asking to transfer the fund, transfer the USDT, That is not possible. He has to show the chat records. Where is the chat record that I asked him? There is no chat record. There is only UPI transaction ID, which is public information. So what our seller has done is, he saw the fund deposited in his bank. He was happy and he got the UPI transaction, and immediately he ran to his peer-to-peer wrong exchange and then keyed in the UPI transaction ID and clicked the button completed. And that got him into the trouble. So what happened is, the USDT got released to the wrong guy in the peer-to-peer exchange. So that guy went away happily with free money. And now I am stuck. So to cover up this mistake, he is saying a clone of me is coming to that. It's not at all possible. I have the proof of proper bank account. I send to the same UPI ID that you have mentioned in the Binance trade, and it has the clear transaction ID. So this is what I can do, and you should be looking into looking carefully to which Binance or other exchange you have to release, that you didn't take enough care. You are confused. There are two similar order. You got a deposit and you released the order, press the complete button for the wrong exchange. That is your core mistake. I thought you are some kind of trained scammer or a hacker. Or none of this. You took a peer-to-peer platform. You and the Binance platform. You opened two orders. You got a deposit, and you quickly went to your peer-to-peer platform, keyed in the transaction ID, and clicked OK, complete. Then the other guy got the money. So that is not my mistake. You have given the same bank deposit your UPI ID for the both the exchanges. That added to your confusion. So you are confused, and I paid only one transaction with proper UPI ID and to your exact UPI ID that you have mentioned in the Binance. If you want two exchanges, at least you should have two different UPI IDs. You didn't even do that. So if you have two UPI IDs, at least you would have not confused when the fund is getting from one UPI ID, it could be for that exchange. From this UPI ID, it could be for this exchange. You didn't even do that. You got confused and you simply released it in the P2P. And to cover up your mistake, you are creating a story, a clone of me coming to the other. Where is the chat record, bro? Where is the chat record? Did I say that? Did I ask you to transfer in this P2P platform? No, you transformed it. You transferred it. With the transaction ID you got in the deposit. You never should have gotten any message from me. Even if you say someone like me typed in etc., where is the chat log? You say that you cannot see any chat log or anything. You say only the amount and UPI transaction ID only. That is what I can see. So that is what has happened. You took a P2P where with no chat or anything. You simply enter. Once you got the fund for Binance, you release the fund in the P2P other exchange. That's your mistake, bro. Let me go through your video. Yeah, see how did the platform got this UPI ID? The platform doesn't have any knowledge of the UPI transaction ID. It has to come through you. A platform, it cannot read your bank. It cannot read your SMS. It has to come through you. You keyed in there somewhere, or you copy pasted in some text box, and you click that transaction complete. So, did I say you to complete here? That's my mistake. So this explains your stupidity, bro. Not the proof that there is a clone of Gopinath coming out here and making you pay. That is impossible story. I don't even know the platform. Even if I try to do that, it is astronomically impossible, lower probability event to find the same seller with similar offer at the same time. I mean, come on. you gave the same UPI ID for both of the exchanges, and you got confused and you quickly went and released the USDT in the wrong peer-to-peer platform. Is that my mistake? Did I ask you to release that? on what basis you release there? Just because you have an UPI transaction ID, if you go and release in some other wrong exchange, did I ask you to open multiple exchange orders? Even I don't care, that's okay. At least you should have two different UPI IDs to stop confusing yourself. You got confused, you released the fund in wrong peer-to-peer account, and then you put me through hell. Dear customer support, please understand this, and this is the true story. And every evidence collected so far, the identity, the UPI address that I transferred, the UPI transaction ID that the mobile phone has generated, and the screenshot that I shared, everything points to that. I asked the seller to transfer USDT in the Binance platform. This guy mistakenly transferred to some other platform because of his confusion, because he had a shared UPI ID for both the platform. Once the UPI ID got deposited money from me, he released it in other platform. To cover up that story, now he has to cook up a story that there are two Gopinaths, one in some other platform. That's all nonsense, bro. I transferred exactly to the UPI ID you displayed in the Binance Trade platform. So there is no fault on me. And I generated the UPI ID, you got the money, there is UPI ID there, and you could see in the bank also, there is UPI ID there. So what is the problem? It's your mistake. Give back my money, please. That's all I have to say. Thank you.